Hi everyone, it's Brett with Idaho H2O Adventures, and I just wanted to give an update about the construction of a new sports complex that we have coming in near us in Post Falls, Idaho. And a couple weeks ago I did a video, and they had just kind of started the grading and flattening of the area, and some of the road construction as well. So I wanted to give you an update on that. So like before, at the corner of Prairie Avenue and Charville, there's Mount Rathdrum, and if you recall, there's a firehouse coming in right across this street, which we're kind of excited about. At least we'll have a firehouse close to us, but I'm not real keen on hearing sirens take off at 3 o'clock in the morning. We'll see how that works out. So this is kind of where the sports complex starts. That's that corner that we were just at, over where the new firehouse is going, Mount Rathdrum in the back. And the grading has ceased. They actually have this pretty well flattened out. And we noticed they put some sort of, it looks like kind of gravel topping over it, I guess to keep the dirt from blowing. We originally thought it was hydroseed, but it looks like it's just a gravel. And you can see all the tractors are gone. And just like before, I'm going to hit all four corners of this project. There's those homes that were being built. That's by Daum Construction, D-A-U-M. And we'll hit the other corners. Beautiful day in Post Falls, Idaho. Now I'm at the corner of Killdeer and Charville. This is the southeastern corner of the new complex. And there's going to be soccer fields and basketball courts over on this side. As you can see, it's very nicely graded, and it's going to be a nice complex for people to go play sports at. Now we're at the corner of Killdeer and Cecil Road. And Cecil Road is a new road they just put in, and that runs out to Prairie in that direction. And this would be the southwest side of this sprawling sports complex. They just put a fence up around it just the past couple days too. It's going to be a pretty good sized facility. Those buildings right there are Ross Point Water District offices. That's where we pay our water bill. Over in the distance, over that way, is up towards Sandpoint, Lake Pend Oreille. That's towards Hayden. That mountain right there is Canfield Mountain. And then over this way is in the direction of downtown Post Falls. Kind of cool because you can kind of see some smoke against that mountain backdrop. Got some fireplaces burning. It's about 45 degrees today. I think our high is supposed to be 48. And then this is some new construction going out. I'm pointing now in the direction of Spokane, going west, and do a little drive-by of the housing development and see the progress there too. More to follow. Now I'm at the northwest corner of the sports complex. I'm at Prairie Avenue and Cecil Road. And this is where the baseball diamonds are going to be. They've kind of pretty much carved out, looks like where the diamonds are going to be. I believe there's going to be 4 in this area. But they did a great job creating the little areas for these baseball diamonds. It's really a nice day today. Over in that direction, see some fog still over by the mountains. That's over towards downtown Coeur d'Alene. Sun's trying to peek through. Now, just about 2 weeks ago, I showed you this area. These foundations weren't even in then. These are actually the foundations that we talked about were cement slabs, and now these houses are built. incredible how fast they put these up, but they again are pretty good quality. I know our Hayden Home house is a 2x6 construction, good insulation, and we're very happy with our house. Okay, so now we've switched over to the Hayden Homes, and this is the builder that we had, our house was built by. And as you can see, this is an area where just a couple weeks ago they were basically the studs, and now they have built homes. They're finishing them up. They had good weather so far. We haven't had any snowfall yet. We have had some rain, but these guys they work through everything. Very impressed by their work in this area. Beautiful homes. Again, Hayden Homes. This is right off Greens Ferry Road near Prairie and Killdeer. Now we're at Greens Ferry Road in Killdeer, and I wanted to get this shot. I thought this is kind of cool. I'm going to cross here, wait for some traffic, but I wanted to zoom in. Somebody's getting some sod delivered. It's obviously probably the landscapers or maybe a new homeowner, but where I bought my sod for my backyard, I just saw a thing on the internet that said you can actually put sod in until the first freeze. So the fact that it's November 5th, they're lining up that sod down there. They're still going to put sod down. We don't have snow expected for a few more days, if any, down here in the flatlands. There will be some up in the mountains. But this is that housing development we drove through last time, and it looks like everybody's moved in finally. I wanted to go out here and see if our cow is still out here. Yeah, there's some cows out there. There's one laying down. That's how close we are to the countryside. There's one laying down, and there's one over there, turn around looking at us. So this is the model sales office for the Hayden Homes in this development. And this development is called Green Meadows. And these are the first phase of these. Again, everyone is pretty well moved in. Hayden Homes actually has 3 or 4 different developments going on around us in the Post Falls, Rathdrum area. Lots of building. Last time we were in this area, they had the asphalt laying machine parked along here, and this hadn't been paved yet. And they have actually paved this area nice and smooth. They've put some temporary striping down on it. They fixed the edge where there was no asphalt up to the edge. That's been completed. Makes a smooth transition to come out of that area. And then again, temporary markings on the road. This is at Prairie and 41, Highway 41. Going to the left would be going north up into Rathdrum, and then going to the right would be going south towards Post Falls. They're still doing some work here to put the signal light stanchions that are going to go across here. They're still working, getting all the electrical lines in and so on. Again, the highway is still temporary. It's actually not both sides are done. We're actually going to go on the northbound side to go south, but you can see it's finished, at least in this direction. And now we're on the northbound side going south temporarily. And I'm heading into Post Falls now on Highway 41. I need to find out what that mountain is. That kind of overlooks downtown Post Falls. So this is, again, 41 going south into Post Falls. The other side's ready. They've got their turnout lanes. This will have a signal, we think, right here. There's some apartments going in right there. That will be on pole line off of 41. And then this is a little market here. It's where I sometimes get my lotto tickets. It's called 41 Express. And again, you can see all the construction, all the cones out. The roads are temporary, but at least it's done on that side. So this is our little drive down towards our house. There's our park. We still have a few leaves on the tree. There's trees, they're starting to thin out though, but they were a brilliant red, they've turned yellow. And it's a nice little parkway right here. We live in a very nice area. We're very happy that we moved here. Cost of living is low compared to other places. Our electricity bill for the month of October was $89, and our water runs about $20 a month. That's a far cry, way lower than what it was in California where we used to live. So glad that we live here. Well, I think I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully gave you a little insight as to what's going on around here. And if you like our channel, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you subscribe and watch our future videos, not just construction, but our travels and journeys around Idaho and beyond. So until our next adventure, it's Brett with Idaho Adventures saying bye for now.